Learn English phrases for apologizing. Number 1. Oops, sorry. Or, sorry about that. Say these phrases for very small accidents and mistakes, like when you step on someone's foot. Number 2. I'm sorry for, I'm sorry that, and I apologize for. Say these phrases to apologize for specific bad things you did. The last one, I apologize for, is more formal. Here are some examples. I'm sorry for yelling at you. I'm sorry that I yelled at you. I apologize for my behavior. Number 3. It was my fault. Say this phrase to accept your responsibility for the mistake. Number 4. I'm so sorry and I'm really sorry. These phrases express stronger regret for a more serious mistake. Number 5. I should have and I shouldn't have. Use these phrases to say what you wish you had done differently in the past. For example, I'm sorry, I should have called and told you I'd be late. I shouldn't have taken your book without asking. When spoken fast, these phrases sound like should've and shouldn't have. Number 6. We deeply regret and please accept our apologies. These phrases are more formal and are typically used in business letters. For example, please accept our apologies for the delay in delivering your order.